the primeval forests of New Zealand. Amongst the undergrowth, something stirs. A parrot. But a parrot unlike any other. This is the world's heaviest and only flightless parrot. But that's just the start of its misfit credentials. For this is a kakapo. Kakapos can be surprisingly nimble on the ground. But that's no use to them when their favorite food is up in the trees. Reaching it isn't as easy as it perhaps should be. They awkwardly clamber around, relying on their bill as an extra claw. It's all a bit embarrassing, really, for a bird.